the summer of love.
In the previous video I had explained about how to install, how to download, how to use QBASIC. Today I will be showing you how to write programs in QBASIC with some very simple examples. So if you haven't seen the previous video of mine, just go to the description of this video and you will find the detail of the previous video or the link of the previous video. So as you have seen, there's a QBASIC shortcut. This icon is present in my desktop. I will double click and open it. For the first time use, it might take little bit time, and for the first time use, the window might be little small. So what you can do, if you want to increase the window like that, go to options, go to display, and here choose this custom font. See, I have already checked it, and click on OK, and it will appear like this. Okay, so this is the editor window. Here we write the programs, and there will be another window, that is a black window, where you will see the outputs. So one by one I'll show you how to use it, how to write it, and how to compile it. Okay, so all the statements I had already covered, like rem, print, let, input, if, else, all these things I have already covered. So I'll try to cover up all the examples. Okay, so you don't have to write it in capital letter. The statements are by default will become capital. If I write it in small, by default it will become capital. See, so like rem to add two numbers, program to add two numbers. See, the rem statement has already become capital. So I will take two numbers and I will add them. Very simple program. So let a equals to 20 and let b equals to 30. So 20 plus 30, how it should be? How much it should be? It should be 50. So sum, it's a variable, equals to a plus b, and I will print the value, print sum, and then end. Now see, after writing all the programs, you have to save it. So I will go save as, and I will write it like addition. So then I will press enter. See, addition.bs. .bs is the extension for QBASIC files, already has been explained in the previous video. Now click on run and click on start. For the first time it might take little bit time. Again, I'm telling you, as long as you keep on making programs, it will be much faster. So I will fast forward the video and see the result. It's in black window. See, it's 50. 30 plus 20 is 50. It's coming absolutely fine. But what else? There is some proper message. Okay, let's write some proper message, like print. Here for writing message I have to use double quotes. Total sum is equal to, then I will write this. So let's run it again. And see, total sum is, as you can see, total sum is 50. Okay, this is a proper message. Now here goes how to use let programs. Let's take some input from the user. Okay, so I'll remove it. So another program to take user inputs. Okay, now I will take one item name and its price. Okay, let's say, so I will first write print enter item name, and the user will enter it. I will take it in name. It should be within some, let's say, name with $sign. I hope you remember, for taking any character value we have to use $sign. Now print enter its price. Okay, so input for price, let's say p, I'll take p, or price only. Let's take it like that. I won't use dollar because it's a number. For numeric variables we don't use dollars, and I will just print them. Print item name is equal to simple item, and print item price is, this is price. Oh sorry, item name, it should be name, because the variable I have used here name, so I cannot write item, the same variable have to be there, so it has to be name. While printing it, you don't have to use a $sign. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, you have to use it. And end. I'll save it, save as, let's say details. Okay, now I'll run the program. If there is any mistake, it will appear over here. If there is OK, that means the program is correct. Item name, let's say car, and price is, let's say 20,000 or 2 lakh. So item name is car, item price is 2 lakh. I hope you all can see what is here. You all can see. Okay, this, press any key to continue. I will press it, and I will press enter, it will come back again over here. Okay, so these are the examples I wanted to show you. In next example, let's take do some calculations. Okay, let's make a calculator, program to make a calculator. So here what we will do, we will take two numbers, and from two numbers we will do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all. Okay, so print enter first number. So we are asking the first number from the user. So input, let's say A, same print enter second number, and then user will enter the second number. So I will take it in B. So let's do sum equals to A plus B. Difference, for difference I will like diff, difference equals to A minus B. Product, so I will write product equals to A multiplied by B, and for division I will write A divided by B. So these are four different variables I have used, sum for addition, diff for division, so not division, subtraction, pro for product, multiplication, diff for division. Okay, let's print them all. So print sum is equal to sum. So if there is a mistake, what mistake it is, see, I have the red line has appeared, that means I have done it intentionally, so that you can understand that when there is a mistake it will become red line. So here I have used two double quotes, so I will remove it, it will be okay. So print difference is, that is diff, the variables name have to be same, print product is equal to pro, and print quotient is, if there is spelling mistake please pardon me, so diff. Okay, and end. Let's save the program and run the program. If there is any mistake, save as, I will write calculator. All the saved program will be stored over here, you can see. So run, start. If there is OK, that means the program is correct. Okay, so I will enter number, let's say 20, and then the second number will be 5. So addition will be 25, difference 15, all correct. See, all answers are correct. So that's all for today. Please use it into your computer. If you find any kind of problem, mention it into the comment section. Hit the like button if you have liked this video, share it with your friends. If you're new to this channel, subscribe my channel and activate the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification of it. Thank you.